I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I
Alright, hey guys, what's going on? It's your hero back with part of my sealed Untitled Goose. When we left off, we had been trolling with Mr. Gardener. Ah, he's putting it back. There you go. Don't worry about that shit, man. Okay, you're gonna get locked in here for being dumb, dude. Change my mind. No longer do you have outside privileges. Sorry, buddy. We tried. Oh no, I needed it open for the rake. I'll give this back, but only because I need it. Oh, the water, right? If I turn the sprinkler on, I have no choice. I just love that a fucking Goose can do this much. All the messiness and perfect. You did it. She's gonna chase something, right? His favorite rose. Give him something else to chase while we get the rake and put it in the lake. They see me rolling, they eating. They see me riding white and early. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb, right? Just gotta wait around for him to do the sign now, right? You put the cooler on top of the radio. Here we go, do the sign. Not quite. A little bit early. Damn it. Oh, come on, stop that. Just a little longer. No, too soon still. God damn you. Come on, fucker. Yes! Aha! Hey, what's over here? Hello? Can I terrorize other people now? Oh my god. How do we have TV, man? Can I scare the kid back in the booth? Oh, he's scared of me now. Legit.